Hey guys, gals, welcome to Wire Dairy, home of the first VMS 300 installed by Farm Systems. It is a robotic milking machine, where we first started milking in March 16th of 2020. And she is a beaut. It has a touch screen. It also comes with a computer and all sorts of wonderful things. But this is the VMS 300 from Delaval. And like I said, she is a beaut. So, I'm gonna hook you guys up to the arm and let you enjoy the ride. Slow it down and I will talk through the milking process now. So now the first cup that the arm is grabbing is the washer cup. And it squirts water and detergent and air in the tip. Essentially it's like a dishwasher for the feet on the cow. So it'll clean it and it'll prep it and get it ready for milking. See how nice and clean it is after it washed? So it'll do all 4 quarters, unless she's a 3-pitter or a 2-pitter, or whatever she is. It washes them all real nice and pretty. And now it's going to grab the cups. And these will be the cups that will actually milk the cow. Now that it's got all the cups on, now the arm will go underneath to hold the hoses to help the cow milk better. So while it's doing that, we'll get you guys off the arm here for a minute. And then we will take you over to the computer screen and we will show you. So this is 285 is the cow that is in here, and these are all 4 of her quarters. So this would be the back right, the back left, and the front right. The little line here is telling you how many pounds per minute the quarter is milking. You have each of them, it tells you on each one, and the bottom number with the big line here is telling you its total yield for the cow. And so here it has 24 pounds is its estimated yield, and we are at just about 18, past 18. And so then when it gets full, it calculates this. When this yield drops off a little bit to a certain point, then it'll automatically take each individual unit off. Then we'll try to watch it. Now, like this quarter has exceeded its expectation, which is always a good thing. And it looks like the whole cow will exceed her expectation. See, but now this one is dropping off rapidly. And so now it's coming off. See, it's pulling it off the cow. And see, now that she's done and it's happy, it'll turn green, and that means the robot is satisfied with that. And it'll do it for every single quarter. So I will get you guys back on the arm so you can watch the rest of the process. So now that all the teats are off, now it's going to post-dip the cow. And that's what the blue spray is. It's post-dip for the teats. Then it will wash itself off once in a while. So it's cleaning its lens so that it can see. Washing some other stuff. Washing the camera a little bit even. And now it is ready for the next cow. And this one's 24 hours a day, except for when it's washing. You have to wash it once in a while to clean it. 3 times a day. And this is the VMS 300. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video of how the VMS 300 milks cows. I don't know if you guys got a little wet here apparently when the robot sprayed, but like I said, we really enjoy this and it is a wonderful piece of equipment. Thanks for watching, have a good one.